moment you lay eyes on the new Mercedes-Benz GLS 63 AMG, you immediately understand that this is not just another luxury SUV. It's a statement of power, prestige, and engineering mastery. Welcome back to Drive Future, where today we dive deep into one of the most commanding SUVs on the road. This machine blends the bold DNA of Mercedes-Benz with the high-performance legacy of AMG, creating an experience that feels equally at home on a racetrack and a red carpet. From the outside, the GLS 63 AMG commands attention with its imposing stance and refined aggression. The massive Pan-American grille with vertical slats instantly signals AMG heritage, while the sculpted hood and sharp LED headlamps give it a futuristic yet muscular appearance. Every line flows with purpose, from the flared wheel arches to the aerodynamic side skirts, emphasizing both elegance and dominance. 10 dials. Sitting on massive alloy wheels, this SUV doesn't just look powerful, it looks unstoppable. The rear design continues the theme with quad exhaust tips, a sporty diffuser, and sleek LED taillights that stretch across the tailgate, leaving a lasting impression wherever it goes. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that perfectly balances luxury and sportiness. Premium materials are everywhere: Napa leather, real wood, carbon fiber trims, and brushed aluminum accents, all meticulously crafted to create an atmosphere of sophistication. The seats are not just comfortable, they are engineered for performance driving, offering exceptional support with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The 3-row seating layout ensures that even passengers in the third row experience true luxury, something few performance SUVs can demonstrate. Dominating the dashboard is the advanced MBUX infotainment system, featuring dual widescreen displays that seamlessly blend into one continuous panel. This system responds to voice commands, touch inputs, and even gestures, making it one of the most intuitive interfaces in the automotive world. You can say, "Hey Mercedes," and the system springs to life, adjusting climate settings, navigation, or even ambient lighting. Speaking of lighting, the customizable ambient lighting system offers dozens of color options, transforming the cabin into a personalized sanctuary, especially during night drives. But let's talk about what truly sets the GLS 63 AMG apart: its performance. Under the hood lies a handcrafted 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine, a masterpiece from AMG engineers. This powerhouse delivers breathtaking horsepower and torque, launching this full-size SUV from 0 to 100 km/h in just a matter of seconds. What makes it even more impressive is the addition of EQ Boost, a mild hybrid system that provides extra power and efficiency when needed. The result is a seamless blend of brute force and modern technology, ensuring that performance never comes at the cost of refinement. The driving experience is nothing short of exhilarating. The AMG Performance 4MA TIC Plus all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction and control, whether you're accelerating on a straight highway or tackling tight corners. The adaptive air suspension system continuously adjusts to road conditions, delivering a ride that can be as comfortable as a luxury sedan or as firm as a sports car, depending on your driving mode. With multiple driving modes including Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and Individual, the GLS 63 AMG adapts to your mood and driving style effortlessly. Despite its size, this SUV handles with surprising agility. Rear axle steering enhances maneuverability at low speeds and stability at high speeds, making city driving and parking far easier than you'd expect. Meanwhile, the high-performance braking system ensures that all that power can be controlled with absolute confidence. Whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing the limits on open roads, the GLS 63 AMG delivers a driving experience that feels both thrilling and secure. These features are also at the forefront. The GLS 63 AMG comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. These technologies work together to provide an extra layer of protection, ensuring peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. It's a reminder that performance doesn't have to compromise safety. In fact, in this vehicle, it enhances it. Practicality is another area where this SUV shines. With generous cargo space and flexible seating configurations, the GLS 63 AMG is as functional as it is luxurious. Whether you're heading out on a family road trip or loading up for a weekend adventure, this SUV is ready for anything. The power-folding third row and hands-free tailgate make everyday usability effortless, while the spacious interior ensures that everyone travels in comfort. What truly makes the GLS 63 AMG special is its ability to combine seemingly opposite characteristics into one cohesive package. It's a high-performance machine that doesn't sacrifice sacrifice comfort, a luxury vehicle that doesn't shy away from excitement, and a family SUV that can outperform in many sports cars. This balance is what sets it apart in a crowded segment, making it a top choice for those who refuse to compromise. In a world where SUVs are becoming increasingly common, the Mercedes-Benz GLS 63 AMG stands out as something extraordinary. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about how you feel along the way. Every drive becomes an event, every journey an experience worth remembering. From its bold design and luxurious interior to its incredible performance and advanced technology, this SUV represents the pinnacle of what modern automotive engineering can achieve. If you're looking for a vehicle that delivers power, luxury, and versatility in equal measure, it's a true flagship SUV that embodies the spirit of innovation and excellence that Mercedes-Benz and AMG are known for. And as we move into the future of automotive design and performance, vehicles like this remind us that driving can still be an emotional, thrilling experience. Thanks for watching Drive Future. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Mercedes-Benz GLS 63 AMG, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge car reviews. Stay tuned, because the future of driving is just getting started.